Business English speaking and writing. Never overlook compound words. Part 1. Compound words in business English are terms formed by combining two words to create a new meaning. Businessman, partnership, customer service. This word one with word two combination shows complex ideas and is shown in professional emails or presentations. Business man, business woman, partnership, team work. Markets are workplace, sales person, outsourcing, networking, cash flow, stakeholder, profitability, time frame, work force, head quarters, free lancer. Follow us for more interesting content like this.